Welcome, I'm SD Kelly, and I can't wait to show you what I did with all these different little pretty things that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm using white zip ties, and I'm going to tie these 3 white Christmas trees together, and I'm putting them at different levels to make it a little bit taller. I won't be needing the stands for these trees. I'm actually going to use the stands for a lot of other projects around the house, and possibly in future videos. So once I have them all joined pretty tight, I'm going to go ahead and manipulate the branches until it's fluffy and full. I'll be using some Dollar Tree floral foams and some moss. And I got 2 really cute galvanized tin looking buckets with some twine wrapped around the top. They're actual metal. I got one of a different size and shape, but they both go together. I want the lights to be kind of light and sparse, so I'm just using some battery-operated fairy lights, just 1 strand. I got from Amazon.com, but Dollar Tree also carries them. Now I bought a variety of floral arrangements, some ribbons, some ornaments, some bows, some bells, some pine cones, some other sparkly things. I also got these really cute galvanized metal wording. I think they say believe, peace, and joy. I may be using this twine, I'm not sure yet. So I'm using some clear fishing line that's pretty strong, and I'm just tying what I decided to put on the tree on there. And I'm going to tie everything on. I put some white birds on there. For the top, I put these 2 snowflake ornaments together. I tied them with fishing line back to back, and I deliberately misaligned them. I'm going to use the 2 holes where the hooks would normally go to tie this to the top of the tree. I misaligned them on purpose to give it a more star-like appearance. Now with the flowers that I did not put on the tree, I went ahead and dismantled them. I'll be using part of this floral foam left over from a previous project and some moss from the Dollar Tree. So I put the flowers back together. I reassembled them using different petals for each group of stems. That way each flower is more dispersed throughout the arrangement. Obviously a flower petal got away because I see my cat down there playing with it. I'll probably just use that one to make a magnet or something for my fridge. Anyway, I'm putting the foam in. I'm putting it upside down so the edges of it goes parallel with the bucket. And I'm just going to place these flowers in there. No rhyme or reason, really. I tend to like things that look like they were picked out in the wild, not so much arranged deliberately. But I do like some balance. Here I'm just using some twine and some bows. And I looped it through the bows. And I'm just tying them up around this bucket. The bucket that I used for the tree, I did not decorate because the tree had so much going on. And here's how it turned out. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have really cool ideas all year round that I can't wait to share with you, but I really love this time of year. I hope you'll come back. Bye for now.